The correct use of conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join words, phrases, or sentences. We shall study here the use of some important conjunctions. If, that, when, scarcely, both, and. Or, until, rather, not only, but also, no sooner. As, after, hardly, so long as. Till, while, unless, as long as. Lest, since, before, either or, neither nor. No sooner, hardly, scarcely. No sooner is always followed by than. Scarcely, hardly is always followed by when. For the purpose of emphasis, no sooner, hardly, scarcely can be placed first in a sentence or clause. Then the inverted or interrogative form of the verb is used. For example, the movie had hardly started when the lights went off is equal to hardly had the movie started when the lights went off. She had no sooner seen her mother than she began to cry is equal to no sooner had she seen her mother than she began to cry. He had scarcely heard the news when he ran for his home is equal to scarcely had he heard the news when he ran for his home. Unless means if not. We never use not with unless. We can use not with if when the sense demands it. For example, if you do not work hard, you will fail. Correct. If you work hard, you can get good marks. Correct. Unless you work hard, you cannot pass. Correct. Unless you do not work hard, you cannot pass. Incorrect. Until, till is equal to up to the time when something happens. Both these words denote some point of time. Until is mostly used in the initial position. For example, until you pay your fees, you can't sit in the class. He won't go till or until you give him his money. I shall wait here for you till or until you come back. So long as long as, while is equal to during the time when something is happening. These words denote a period of time. For example, while there is life, there is hope. As long as she was here, she was quite happy. You have no fear so long as you work honestly. Study the following sentences carefully. Until it rains, we must stay inside. Incorrect. As long as it rains, we must stay inside. Correct. Until you work hard, you will keep improving. Incorrect. As long as you work hard, you will keep improving. Correct. He continued studying as long as he was 60 years old. Incorrect. He continued studying till or until he was 60 years old. Correct. Because is used to express a cause or reason. So that is used to express some aim or purpose. For example, he failed because he did not work hard. He worked hard so that he could get good marks. Study the following sentences carefully. Men work because they may earn a living. Incorrect. Men work so that they may earn a living. Correct. He took medicine because he might get well. Incorrect. He took medicine so that he might get well. Correct. Since is equal to from that time to the time referred to. As a conjunction, since always takes the past simple or V2 after it, but never before it. For example, 2 months passed since he has come here. Incorrect. 2 months have passed since he came here. Correct. I didn't see him since he has left this place. Incorrect. I have not seen him since he left this place. Correct. Before, if, until, unless, while, when, etc. are called conjunctions of time or temporal conjunctions. They are never followed by a verb in the future tense. For example, I will help him if he comes here. Correct. I will help him if he will come here. Incorrect. The crops will fail before the rains fall. Correct. The crops will fail before the rains will fall. Incorrect. I shall not let you go unless you pay the bill. Correct. I shall not let you go unless you will pay the bill. Incorrect. That is never used before an interrogative link in indirect narration. For example, he asked that if Manu had passed. Incorrect. He asked if Manu had passed. Correct. I wish to know that when he will come. Incorrect. I wish to know when he will come. Correct. Lest is always followed by the auxiliary should. For example, he worked hard lest he may fail. Incorrect. He worked hard lest he should fail. Correct. Walk fast lest you miss the train. Incorrect. Walk fast lest you should miss the train. Correct. Rather is followed by than. For example, I would rather die than beg. When a negative is used at the beginning of a sentence, its negative influence spreads over the whole sentence. Therefore, the negatives not and never must never be followed by nor. They can have or after them. For example, she did not break it nor lose it. Incorrect. She did not break it or lose it. Correct. I have never spoken to her nor written to her. Incorrect. I have never spoken to her or written to her. Correct. However, neither is always followed by nor. For example, I have neither written to her nor spoken to her. Correct. I have neither written to her or spoken to her. Incorrect. He washed neither his hands nor his feet. Correct. He washed neither his hands or his feet. Incorrect. Some conjunctions go in pairs. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also. Note the correct position of these conjunctions in these sentences. Either his answer was right or wrong. Incorrect. His answer was either right or wrong. Correct. Neither his action was just nor unjust. Incorrect. His action was neither just nor unjust. Correct. He is both good at sports and studies. Incorrect. He is good at both sports and studies. Correct. She not only lost her ticket but also her luggage. Incorrect. She lost not only her ticket but also her luggage. Correct.